Hi, Cal from BHP UK. Just thought we'd show you what we've been working on this week. And first of all, we've got our Hypermotard back in. We've put some Austin Racing cans on this and we've mapped it up to a stage 1. We're now putting an Arrow DCAT kit on it and we'll run it up on the dyno next week and see what we can get out of that. As well as that, we've been working on the ZH2. This is in its absolutely final stages now. We've got a huge amount of power on this. We'll give you the details for it, but we're about to do some really clever things with the mapping modes, so you can leave some of the modes standard and you can have full power output on sport mode. And lastly, we've got the new Euro 5 S1000 XR on the dyno at the moment. This is something that a lot of people are waiting for, so we've got one in on the dyno. We're going to see what we can do with it, get the top out of the way, and let you guys have a look around this S1000 XR. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. That way you'll get a notification of when all these 3 videos are available. They should be uploaded sometime next week. We look forward to seeing you then.